The biggest baby word. Hi, my name is Brittney and I teach English right here in Yangon. In my class, I teach my students not to use certain words that I call baby words. These are words that are very common in English and very easy to say, but I like to encourage my students to use more advanced vocabulary. Ask any English teacher and they will tell you that the biggest baby word is very. I'm very hungry. The little girl was very sweet. The word very is quite boring, and I teach my students different methods of avoiding this word. I'll teach you one today. Very is an adverb, but it's a very special adverb. Very cannot modify a verb. It can only modify an adjective or another adverb. So instead of this very boring adverb, you can use 3 different words in any case. Number 1, extremely. This is my favorite substitute for very. I am extremely hungry. Number 2, exceedingly. This is a very strong substitute for very. She was exceedingly late for the meeting. Number 3, incredibly. This is a great word to express something that is incredible. The little girl was incredibly sweet. So, now you have 3 excellent replacement words for very: extremely, exceedingly, and incredibly. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get updates every time we post. That's all for today. Take care and see you in the next video.